so good at repeating after me. Yeah, you are. Can you say, I love you? Oh, you're so cute. I love you. Oh, I love you so much. Would you like a treat? Oh, you would? Okay, take a bite. There it is. That was so good. Now can you say thank you? Wow, that was so good. I love you. I love you. Oh, you're so cute. Can you say mama? Can you say mama? Oh my goodness, you excited, huh? Oh my goodness, would you like one more treat? You would? Okay. Take a bite.